Hello and welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use Facebook Audience Insight tools. Just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So Facebook Audience Insights tool is a powerful tool that allows you to gather information about your audience and create more effective ad campaigns. Here are the steps to use Facebook's Audience Insights tools. So first thing you gotta do is open up your Facebook app, then press on your profile picture with the three lines, and press on professional dashboard. So you can see here the performance, which is you can press the information and there is the post reach, post engagement, net followers, and 3-second views, and the meaning of each and every one of that. Just read that so you will have more information. So as you can see that my post reach and the others have increased. You can also press see more insights. You can see here that you can change the date by the last 7 days, 14 days, or 28 days. And if you press see all, here there will be the graph between the days and also the top contents and the reach. You can also see here down below the followers, but it's not yet activated. And this is the demographic data based on the number of factors, including age, gender information provided on Facebook. Unfortunately, I have not yet activated it because I don't have 100 followers who are not also friends. And if you will have that 100 followers, you will be able to learn more about your audience. So if you go back, we have different tools here also to help you and guide you on your success. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks!